Today we're bringing to you a TradingView plugin called LUX ALGO. If you're into crypto, if you're into stocks, indices, commodities, currencies, this is the plugin you want to have. Enhance your trading experience. LUX ALGO has created the next gen visualization to help the world trade and invest smarter. These guys have a amazing plugin. I use it myself all the time. It provides you buy sell signals so that you can actually know when to take profits, guys. If you're looking to buy low, sell high, that's what we are all trying to do, right? This is an incredible plugin and you do not want to miss out on this. They have algorithms that are very fine-tuned that you can actually tweak yourself so that you can actually make it a little bit more conservative, a little bit more risky with taking your profit, things like that. So you want to go ahead and take a look into this. These guys are the #1 vendor pioneering revolutionary trading tools. These guys have an incredible Discord community as well, so I'll leave the link in the description for them. They also provide you different plugins that you can add in addition to the LUX ALGO plugins. Get these for free as well on Discord, so super cool. They give you a lot of different types of charts that you can use, oscillators, things like that. So it's super valuable, and they're very kind to be able to give you those free assets as well that you can use for your TradingView. And so you can use this on the free TradingView. You don't have to have a premium TradingView or anything like that, which is super cool. You can plug LUX ALGO straight into your TradingView dashboard. It's super easy to do. They also have an incredible amount of great tutorials you guys can take a look at yourselves and show you strategy videos, etc., on how you can best utilize this software to get the most for your money. A little bit more about LUX ALGO. So they have buy and sell alerts and optimization. You will also get these alerts in the Discord. So that's super cool. So if you're an active Discord user, you're going to want to check your phone. They're going to give you buy and sell signal tips on the freaking house, guys. I'm serious. Like in the Discord, you just got to join the Discord. As you can see here, they're going to show you a strong sell signal. For example, here they're saying 4-hour chart, strong sell signal, strong buy signal. So like they're going to give you different coins, things like that, whatever you're into, of course. And they're going to give you these tips even in the Discord community. Okay. So that's huge value even right there. But as far as utilizing this is a monthly subscription, or you can go ahead and get the LUX ALGO lifetime premium lifetime, and it's super cheap, guys, for the value that you're getting. $11.97, you can barely beat that, okay? And so normally it's $67.99 monthly. They have it where you can buy quarterly, and you get a little discount there, 30%, 40% for yearly. And they also have given you a option to pay with crypto. So if you're into that, this is a win-win right here. And secondly, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's nothing to lose here. All you got to do is, hey, if it's not for you, they'll give you your money back. I mean, that's freaking good business, and if you ask me. So I love that as well. And so you can cancel anytime if you need to, but you're not going to want to once you get started with this. Like I said, they'll give you free indicators as well that you can use in TradingView, which is super cool. You can check these out here. Some of these are premium, of course, but these also have a lot of different charts that you can use, different tools that really can help you enhance your trading ability and enhance your trading experience as well. When you get LUX ALGO installed, you're going to see these strong sell signals, strong buy signals. And as you can see, right before the recent boom, okay, on the chart, you're going to see that it was recommending that you buy there. And it's very accurate, guys. I mean, you can tweak the settings as well, as I mentioned. But as far as accuracy, while it's not 100% perfect, this is a strong buy here. This is very accurate in my experience. I've had a good experience with it. And so I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys today and tell you a little bit about it. So like I said, guys, this is a 30-day money back guarantee. There's really no risk here, but I definitely advise you to take a look at this. You can, like I said, you can do monthly, quarterly, yearly, or if you want to go and jump up to the big boy, you can do LUX ALGO Premium Lifetime on sale right now. Like I said, guys, if you're into stocks, crypto, commodities, indices, currencies, this is the plugin you want to have. It's a great tool for helping you take profit, helping you buy and sell when you need to. It's very accurate for what it is, and I like to tell you guys about it. While I'm not a financial advisor, I do want to provide you guys insight and information so you can make educated decisions doing your own research. If you are interested in this, like I said, they have a bunch of different plans. They got monthly, quarterly, yearly, as well as a premium. These guys are really killing it with the value that they provide the community from the Discord, as well as the signals that you'll get with the Discord community, free plugins that you can add on to it as well. It's really a no-brainer. Click the link in the description if you want to get started with LUX ALGO. If you're looking to make money online, this is the channel for you. Stay tuned, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Be alpha.